Hello friends, today we are here with a useful tool for cryptocurrency traders provided by the TradingFinder group. The Cryptocurrency Rebate Calculator tool is a suitable tool for calculating cashback on cryptocurrency trades. Traders can use this page to learn how the tool works and functions. And from the top section, I can calculate my rebate. In the first part, we can determine the type of cashback, which has two options, PIP and spread. Depending on the broker's representative program, the type of rebate may vary. And here, I will choose the PIP option. In the next section, we can classify the cryptocurrency trading pair symbol, which is based on the base currency, and cryptocurrency, where there are 30 trading currency pairs, or you can search for your desired symbol. From the search section, where I will classify BTC USD. In the next section, there is the deposit width, in which we can determine the base width from 24 different options, or select the desired width from the search section, where I determine the USD width. In the rebate rate section, we can enter the amount of rebate paid by IB per lot in this section, which I will enter 16 lots. In the next section, we can enter the number of lots, based on the volume of the transaction made on the symbol of the man in the opinion of the trader. Here, I will enter the average lot volume of 100 lots. In the next section, we can determine the currency price, which allows us to set the exchange rate for the base currency of the trading pair and the deposit currency either automatically or manually. Finally, by clicking on Calculate, we can compute our rebate. If necessary, we can reset all sections by clicking on the Receipt option, POC, or we can set the rebate mode by clicking on the Capital option. And let's make the changes here. The TradingFinder group, as a representative of a reputable broker, offers the highest possible rebate rates to traders through collaboration with the best brokers, allowing traders to take advantage of cashback benefits. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this tools tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.